Hello everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the PADI Divemaster Program and focusing on the search and recovery scenario, a crucial component of the training. The search and recovery scenario in the PADI Divemaster Program is designed to equip candidates with essential skills for locating and recovering lost objects underwater. Participants learn various search techniques, such as the expanding square, circular, and U patterns, to systematically search for objects. They also practice using navigation tools like compasses and line reels to maintain precise search patterns. Once the lost object is found, candidates learn safe recovery techniques, including using lift bags and proper lifting methods. Safety protocols are emphasized throughout, covering communication, equipment use, and managing potential hazards. Planning and execution of search and recovery operations are also taught, from assessing the dive site to coordinating with team members. In addition to the search and recovery scenario, Dive Master candidates also learn 3 essential knots: the bowline, sheet bend, and 2 half hitches. These knots are versatile and commonly used in diving, from securing equipment to creating loops underwater. The bowline knot is known for its strength and reliability, perfect for securing a line to a fixed object. The sheet bend is great for joining 2 ropes of different sizes securely, while the 2 half hitches provide a reliable and adjustable loop for various purposes. Learning these knots is crucial for divers as they navigate different scenarios underwater. So whether you're securing equipment or creating loops for tasks, these knots will come in handy. That wraps up our overview of the search and recovery scenario and essential knots in the PADI Divemaster Program. Stay tuned for more diving tips and training insights. Thanks for watching.